Hi, if you need to enable NFC on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, then open Settings. Here, go in the Connections tab and you will see the NFC and contactless payments. To enable it, just simply tap on the switcher and now it is on. You can also select this tab and here check how to use this function. Also, you can go in the contactless payments and choose your default payment service and enable or disable Pay with currently open app. And after that, you can just swipe down 2 times from the upper right corner and in the control center you will find your NFC. But if not, you will need to add it to the control center. For that, tap this edit button, select full, click on the edit, and here from the available buttons choose NFC and drag it onto the screen like that. And now you will find it in the control center and here it is. It is enabled because it's light up white, but if you tap it once more, it will be disabled. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.